Banaras is one of the oldest living cities in the world. It does not announce itself, it simply continues. Every morning, the river Ganga arrives before the city wakes. Along its banks, life begins quietly. People come here for different reasons. Some to wash their bodies, others to steady their thoughts. Faith here is not performed, it is practiced slowly and without display. The city moves at its own pace. In narrow lanes and on wide stone steps, daily rituals unfold. Small moments repeated for generations. In most places, death is hidden from view. In Banaras, it remains part of everyday life, not as something feared, but as something understood. Empires have risen and fallen around this river. The water continues to flow, and the city remains, unchanged in spirit, even as time moves forward.